Welcome to the Country Castle. You're usually seeing me ready for the day when I start my videos, but some days we just start cleaning in our nightgowns because there's so much to do today. And sometimes I get this huge surge to just deep clean and go crazy in some of my kids' rooms. I have my teenage daughters who are at a girls' camp this week, and I am deep cleaning their room because as much as we teach them how to clean, they really never clean as deep and as well as we do. So I am giving them a fresh start in their room today. I am also going through so much laundry. I am behind on my laundry. I am leaving tomorrow to fly across the country with my husband to my oldest son's boot camp graduation. And there's something about a trip that always makes me want to really get my home in order and have everything ready to go so that when we come home, we have less chaos. And that is what I am doing today. And I am taking you along in my nightgown. I will get ready today. I will change, but right now we got stuff to do and I just cannot be bothered with getting dressed yet. So I'm going to take you along on me being gone for a few days. Okay, so I am all ready for the day. I spent more than half my morning cleaning in my nightgown, and it was such a good cleaning session because I was getting the things that just were making me crazy. And this happens to me a lot, and I'm sure it does to you. So you'll have to drop a comment below if this is you as well. But anytime there is an event like going out of town, or I have company coming over for a party, I do the nitty-gritty. And I even clean out things that no one's ever gonna see. It's just, it is time to do it. So I was able to get my teenage daughter's room totally clean. They are at camp, as I mentioned, and tomorrow my husband and I are flying across the country for a quick trip to see our oldest son graduate from Coast Guard boot camp. And this has been a much anticipated trip. He has worked so hard for this graduation. And so I have family who is gonna watch our kids here, and I need to stock up the fridge and freezer full of food so it's as easy as possible with us being gone. And also I am in my bedroom, and within the next week or so, I will be revealing our bedroom makeover, because for 7 years, we've had our bed and our furniture in a certain way, and I've never loved it, but felt like maybe that was the only way we could do it because our room is a unique shape. We are dealing with slanted walls in a different shape of this room. And we decided a couple weeks ago to just try putting our bed in a different place, and it kicked off the bedroom makeover. Because once we got our bed moved, we realized how awful our side tables are. And then once we got the side tables replaced, we realized how awful our lamps were. And it just has spiraled from there. And we just decided, you know what? This is the year that we give to mom and dad and we upgrade things in our room. So I'm excited to share that with you. Watch out for that video within the next week or so. And also I got an Amazon package I was going to show you real quick. These are going to be things for the bedroom. Okay, two of the things that I got is this mulberry silk pillowcases. The reason I love this kind is these pillowcases are so wonderful to sleep on. They also help with your skin, your hair, and all of that. And so I have been using silk pillowcases for so long, but these have a zipper so that your pillow doesn't slide out of them. And I got this champagne color. I got us new pillowcases so that we could upgrade our bed because we got all new bedding. So exciting. And then to go along with that, we actually have a really tall bed. Like, it's crazy tall. And, oh yay! Oh, these are 1,000 times better. Okay, so because our bed is tall, we decided to buy risers for our side tables and for our bench, our new bench that goes at the bottom of our bed. So we bought these 2-inch risers to just bring things up a little bit. I'm really excited because this is exactly the right size that I needed. You can actually use them for a larger piece here, or you can do a smaller here. Brilliant. This is exactly what I needed. So I'm excited about that. I will link those below, but just look forward to that video because it will be coming. I'm gonna go to Costco, get all the groceries, finish getting the house ready for us leaving town. Okay, the house is pretty clean, and I got the fridges and freezers stocked up for snacks, food for the kids, for my dad to come and watch them for the next couple days. So for me, it's having floors done, laundry done, de-junking spaces that you have been dying to get to. And I feel like those things are done and I am ready to fly off with Jack tomorrow to see our son. And I'm so excited. And we are going to take you along on the journey as well.
Happy to have you on board with us today. Before we depart, please direct your attention to the video.
Cape May, next destination, right?
That's right.
Excited.
Coming in hot.
After me. I will support and defend.
I will support and defend.
The Constitution of the United States.
The Constitution of the United States.
Against all enemies.
Against all enemies.
Foreign and domestic.
Coast Guard Station, Bellingham, Washington. Fireman Aiden Walker, Coast Guard Cutter Mohawk, Key West, Florida. Seaman Apprentice Nathaniel Wallace, Station Valdez, Alaska.
I'm ready for that. I'm ready.
I love it. It was the best trip seeing our son Everett complete his Coast Guard boot camp graduation. We could not be more proud as parents. Just watching your kids reach for something that seems so hard and achieve it is the greatest gift. And we were so happy to be there and to witness his triumph in doing something extremely, extremely hard. And now he gets to join his fleet. He will move away from home. We get him for 5 days as a family before he flies out to live away from home for a long, long time. But he's close enough. We can fly to him easily. And I think where he's ended up is going to be a beautiful place for him. And we're excited to visit him in his new location and just get to see and experience new things with him. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and just being along the journey of our family. We so appreciate it, and we love being able to share our madness and raising a lot of kids and all that comes along with that. I'm excited to share our master bedroom reveal, and I will see you in the next video.